had no knowledge whatsoever of welding myself. I had never done it. We've been doing it now for 6 weeks. I can only imagine how much more I could grow, you know, within the next year or two. It's something that's going to stick with me forever. Once you know it, you know it.
Today we are at the graduation of our welding cohort. This is in partnership with the Knox County Detention Center and Southeast Knox campus. We have 7 participants that are graduating today with a welding certificate. After incarceration, we want them to have a meaningful career. You know, it's always able to go out and get another job, but we want them to have something that they'll be passionate about and something that they can turn into a career, and this is the first step in that direction.
My take on it is when I get out, I've talked to the other guys at the college, looking forward to maybe progressing further in this, you know, learning more. It's a blessing to have the opportunity to actually you know, be able to sit down where I'm at in the situation that I'm in, sit down and actually get something that can help me progress further once I get outside here in my job, you know. If I could tell anybody, man, that's in the same situation I am, is take hold of it and grow from it, man. Take it outside of here and use it as something, a stepping stone to further your life in the right direction.
Of course, we want to expand upon this. We have had other cohorts in the Knox County Detention Center, and this is something that, you know, we want to do over our coverage areas. We want to partner with detention centers that will allow their inmates to go ahead and take these classes, and then that way, upon release, they will be better equipped to re-enter society and a meaningful career.